Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over how to create an in-house sign template. I'm currently in the in-house sign console. To get into the in-house sign module, I just need to click on in-house sign in my main menu. To create a template, I need to switch to the templates tab. There's a create template button. We need to give our template a unique name. So we're going to call this one test proposal. And there's an indicator over here that lets you know that this name is available or not. You have the option to create a template from an existing template. So you can clone an existing template. When you clone an existing template, it's simple. You just select from the list of your existing templates. And there are many use cases for doing this. If your templates have a slight variation, and you don't want to perhaps use dynamic logic within your in-house templates to solve for this variation, or maybe you have a template, a document that you want to generate that maybe is based on another document. So you can think of all your possible use cases for this, but this option is available. You can create a template from an existing template, and they both are the same initially, and then you go in there and make all your changes. I'm just going to cancel out of this. So all I need to do is give this, like I said before, a unique name. So test proposal. You have the option to connect your file storage services. So file storage services are your file storage locations that you've integrated using the file storage service module. So this could be an AWS S3 bucket. This could be a Google Cloud storage bucket, or this could be an Azure Blob storage. All right. So when it says draft file storage location, this just means that the actual draft documents, this is the initial copies that are sent to users to sign. These will be created on your servers. Attachment file storage means that whatever users upload, if your document requires users to upload attachments, right? The attachments will be stored in this location. And then the final generated document. So this is when everyone has signed, and then we generate the final document. You could also send that to a location as well. Every single e-signature platform usually has a term where they let your document stay before it gets deleted. We give you the option to have your documents forever by connecting and storing it automatically to your own storage locations. Now you can create a template from an existing PDF document, or you can start with a blank page, meaning that you get to generate your own PDF document from scratch. Here we're going to basically generate ours using an existing document. Just going to switch to, I'm just going to search proposal. Okay, I'm just going to select this document. So here I've basically selected a document. You can select multiple documents and then change their sequences, but here I've selected a document, and all I need to do is just click on create template, and now that template has been created. And here we are in our in-house sign builder. Like I said I guess I haven't said it in this video, but in-house sign is built on top of the in-house app builder, so you get all the benefits of the app builder. So you can basically build an app experience within in-house sign. That's it for this video. We've gone over how to create a template. In future videos, we're going to go over a lot of cool concepts, how to connect with data, how to configure recipients, and on and on. See you in the next one.